Getting more vegetables into your meals has never been easier or tastier. This hidden veggies pasta sauce is a game changer for families, picky eaters, or anyone looking to pack a nutritional punch into their favorite red sauce dishes. Start with a splash of olive oil and sauté onions with a few garlic cloves. Cook until they're soft and golden. Now, load up the veggies. Add zucchini, small eggplant, carrots, a handful of spinach, and red bell pepper. Stir occasionally for about 10 minutes until softened. No need to cook them all the way through. They'll finish softening as the sauce simmers. Add a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste and your favorite Italian seasoning. Let it cook for 2 minutes to bring out the flavors. Next, add the chopped tomatoes, vegetable broth, salt, pepper, sugar, and a bay leaf. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 to 50 minutes. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors meld together. Once everything is soft, blend the sauce until it's silky smooth. An immersion blender works fine, but you can use a regular blender in batches to get it really smooth. Don't fill the blender too much to avoid a blender disaster. Cover the lid with a towel and hold the top firmly to avoid spills with the hot liquid. Add the optional splash of coconut milk, plant-based milk, or cashew cream. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Your hidden veggies pasta sauce is ready. Toss it with your favorite pasta or use it in any recipe calling for a red sauce. Delicious, nutritious, and family approved. For the full recipe, visit nutsandtwigs.com.